Hello everyone, welcome to our channel once again. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and also leave a comment to express your thoughts on this. A federal high court in Abuja on Friday ordered an interim forfeiture of 40 landed properties belonging to the embattled former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu, who is currently in custody in the United Kingdom. Justice Ike Ekweremadu made the order following an ex parte motion filed and moved by Ibrahim Buba on behalf of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. While granting the order, the judge ordered the EFCC to publish the interim forfeiture order of the properties in a national daily within 7 days. He specifically directed that anybody who had interest in the forfeited properties should indicate within 14 days of the publication of the interim forfeiture order from the court. Justice Ekweremadu adjourned the matter till December 5, 2022 for a report in the case if there is any objection from members of the public regarding the said properties. The interim forfeiture orders covers Ekweremadu's properties as follows: 10 properties in Enugu, 3 in the United States of America, 2 in the United Kingdom, 1 in Lagos, 9 in Dubai, the United Emirates Republic, and 15 located in the Federal Capital Territory. By the ruling, members of the public who had interest in the properties covered by the interim forfeiture should, within 14 days of the newspaper publication, should inform the court why the property should be permanently forfeited to the federal government. The former Deputy Senate President and his wife are currently standing trial in the United Kingdom over alleged organ harvest, another matter that is not related with the said properties.
Wow, they say, how has the mighty fallen? I think this is the right caption for Ike Ekweremadu concerning the interim forfeiture of his property. Ike Ekweremadu, who is standing trial in the UK for organ harvesting, is also facing another trial here in Nigeria. Trial of over illegal. I think this trial is over basement of funds and all that. And while he's in the UK facing the organ harvesting case, over here another case is being also he's been tried in other cases. Now the over 40 about 40 properties belonging to Ike Ekweremadu in the United States, in the UK, in United Arab Emirates, in Abuja and Lagos were forfeited to the government. Now the question is, why is all this thing happening to him? What did he do wrong? Where did he miss it? Those are questions that one cannot provide answers to. And with all this happening to Ike Ekweremadu, will he be able to stand after going all these trials, even if he's free in the United Kingdom? Because the case of organ harvest in the UK is a serious one. I'm not seeing Ike Ekweremadu, leaving that, getting out of that, case soon. When Nigerian senators and the government officials, the House of Representatives went to the UK, try as much as possible to see if they can help to free him, grant him bail. The UK government, never listened to them, and that's to show us that they have a working system, unlike us here that when people that are high and mighty are involved, they attempt to compromise proceedings, compromise things. But over there's nothing like compromise. They don't even compromise anything. Even if you are the prime minister, if you break the law, you pay for it. That's the way it is there. That is why they are where they are today. But now the same Ike Ekweremadu, is also facing criminal charges here. I would like to call it criminal charges. Charges of embezzling money and stealing public funds to acquire property for themselves and all that. And now a judgment has been given to 640 of his properties. As the only way I can describe it is as how has the mighty fallen. If Ike Ekweremadu was told by a prophet that all this will happen to him, he will say a lie. And now, there's this saying that when you are not there to handle your things yourself, things does not always go well. I know he have his attorneys, he have his this thing, lawyers representing him and all that. But the truth is, because of the absence of his presence, so many things are going wrong. So many things are going wrong. Maybe if Ike Ekweremadu wasn't in the station in the UK, this court judgment would have been given because he will have played his way. But unfortunately, his absence has given the EFCC upper hand to get him here. And if care is not taken with the way things are going, Ike Ekweremadu might lose his properties. But another question I want to ask is, what kind of business is Ike Ekweremadu doing? How did he get all these funds, to acquire all these properties in 9 in the United Arab Emirates? He has in the United States, have in the United Kingdom, 15 in Abuja, and all that. Then I begin to ask, how did they get all this funds? How did they acquire all these things? Can they really account for it? Can they really clear the air to tell Nigeria this is the business I'm doing and this is how I made all this money? Those are the questions in the lips of Nigerians. Those are the questions in the lips of Nigerians. And this is exactly what we get from our politicians. This is what we get from our politicians. All kind of things, dirty games being played. And these people come out there, we hate them, celebrate them. And guess what? We live in a society that we don't care what you do to make money. All we're interested is you have the money and you are ready to share. Especially when you are ready to share, you will be celebrated and give a cheap dancing. But I think the game is changing. Things are going to happen differently because with the way things are going right now, uh, stealing government funds is not going to be that easy, because if you steal it, to spend it, it's going to be tough for you. That is just what I'm saying. Well, Ike Ekweremadu case is a pathetic one. As far as I'm concerned, it's a pathetic one. It's not only being heard in the United Kingdom, over here also is being tried for fraud, embezzlement of public funds, and using it to enrich himself and acquiring these properties. So if he's finally freed in the UK, by the time he comes back, how is he going to start? This is the word, how has the mighty fallen? This fall of Ike Ekweremadu comes so quick and rapidly, unexpected to him and to members of his family and those who are his allies. Well, this is just my take. I want you to feel free to comment below. Let's know your thoughts concerning this, and also subscribe to our channel for updates on this and more. Thank you.